Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to convert blog or post into video using AI in Flex Clip. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Flex Clip. So we are going to add our blog URL and then convert blog URL into video, and then you see AI tool. So click on it. So we have multiple option here. We are in video section, and then you see AI blog URL to video. So click on it, and then you see AI blog URL to video. Paste your blog or article URL here. Now paste, and then you see analyze URL. So click on it. Now generating. So we are in edit script, and then you see source article, all information summary. Now you see scene 1, scene 2. If you want, you can remove or edit, and then you see source media. Now you see we have scene 17, 16, 15, all article, AI summary, and then click on next, and then you see generation mode, AI image stock library. So you can select according to your requirement, and then you see ratio. We select this ratio, voice setting, English, voice for female or male. You can select voice style, and then you see speed, pitch, subtitle. We select this and then click on generate. Now generating. Now done, and then you see subtitle text, image, and then you see audio, and then you see music. If you want, you can delete music. Right click on it and then click on delete. So we delete it. If you want, you can change it. Now you see all text, and then if you want, you can add font setting. Now you see, and then click on export. Now you see video resolution, frame rate. You see multiple option, quality. Now you see, and then click on export. Now rendering. Now you see download done. So in this way you can convert your article or blog into video using AI. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.